Hi, today we are dedicating ourselves to our new DALI-2 gateway, the FD2G71L-230V. DALI-2 is the latest generation of the DALI standard with extended functionality. DALI-2 devices also support all previous DALI functions and are therefore backwards compatible. You can operate up to 64 DALI and DALI-2 devices as well as 64 DALI-2 sensors, considering the output current at the FD2G. The output current of 200 mA must not be exceeded. The new product capable of DALI-2 is now also Multimaster-Capable. This means that multiple sensors, DALI-2 humidity sensors or DALI-2 motion detectors can be operated on a DALI line. Another advantage is the direct connection to our product series. Here, the gateway acts as an interface between the DALI and EnOcean worlds, enabling switching via a DALI sensor. You can also combine this with our controller, the MiniSafe2, to create intelligent automations. The evaluation of DALI-2 sensors can be configured and enabled using PCT14. The DALI participants, on the other hand, are addressed with DALI software, for example, the DALI cockpit. Furthermore, it is also possible to control DALI devices with EnOcean sensor telegrams. As you can see, DALI is therefore suitable for lighting installations from small apartments to commercial properties. These features create a basis for intelligent and flexible light management. If you have any questions or get stuck with the programming, feel free to contact our support. Now I bid you farewell. I hope you had fun and I wish you lots of fun with the programming and addressing. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment. Until next time. Bye.